car doesn't get expensive when you buy it. It gets expensive every month after that. In July 2025, the average American new car buyer paid about $48,841. But the sticker price is only the beginning. American Automobile Association says the average new car costs about $11,577 per year to own and operate. That works out to almost $965 every single month. And that total isn't one thing. It's depreciation, financing, fuel, insurance, fees, and maintenance all stacked together. The biggest hidden hit is depreciation. American Automobile Association puts that at about $4,334 per year. Financing adds another $1,131 a year on average, even before you think about repairs. And if you finance a car today, the payment alone can be brutal. Experian says the average new car payment reached $767 a month. Used cars feel safer, but they're not cheap either. The average used car payment was still about $537 a month. Insurance is another monster. AAA estimates about $1,694 a year for full coverage. Then come taxes, title, registration, and fees, which add about $813 per year on average. Fuel still matters too. American Automobile Association study uses about 13 cents per mile for fuel. At 15,000 miles a year, that's roughly $1,950 just to keep moving. Maintenance, repair, and tires add another 11.04 cents per mile. So at 15,000 miles, maintenance alone is about $1,656 per year. Here's the weird part. Driving less doesn't automatically make a car cheap. At 10,000 miles, AAA still puts average ownership at about $1 per mile. That's still around $10,000 a year, because the fixed costs don't disappear. If you drive more, the per-mile number drops, but your yearly total climbs. At 20,000 miles, American Automobile Association's average is about $13,200 a year. What you drive matters a lot, too. Small sedans are the cheapest category in American Automobile Association's study. At American Automobile Association's numbers, a small sedan works out to about $8,381 a year at 15,000 miles. Half-ton pickups are the opposite. They were the most expensive category, at nearly $14,781 a year. Compact SUVs land in the middle, at around $10,280 a year, while medium SUVs climb to roughly $12,584. Hybrids look strong at about $9,591 a year, while EVs come in higher overall because depreciation is heavier. AAA says EVs are actually the cheapest for maintenance, repair, and tires, but the most expensive for depreciation. Where you live changes everything too. American Automobile Association's calculator lets you adjust for state, mileage, fuel prices, and city versus highway driving. Credit score matters more than people think. In Q3 2025, average auto loan rates were 6.56% for new cars and 11.4% for used cars. And people are stretching loans to make cars feel affordable. In Q4 2025, nearly 30% of new car loans ran 73 to 84 months. Used car buyers are doing the same thing. About 28.68% of used loans also stretched to 73 to 84 months. Zoom out over 5 years, and American Automobile Association's average new car ownership cost adds up to nearly $57,885. So, how expensive is a car, really? Expensive enough that the monthly payment is usually the least honest number in the whole story.